Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good week in the market. It's Friday, October 21st. Ooh, we're getting that bear rally started early. It's coming though. We said this was coming. It's coming. It's here. Today's a big day. I honestly wasn't expecting it to come this early. SLD typically is more red, but with the divergence we were seeing here, it's big engulfing candles volume. I think this will continue. I don't think this is the end of it. Would like to see it break these resistances, but I don't see why it wouldn't continue on. And I think filling this gap is kind of the first major spot on the way up for the SPY. Today, pretty good volume. OPEX today as well. Next week, you know, all the money's free, so we can have a pretty big move to the upside. We've got our bullish MACD still today, big green over the 9 moving average. Those divergences are still there. Our weekly divergence has been confirmed. This one, these two right here, as well as this one with this one over here. So we're looking bullish. This, so this rally right here, I was saying during these weeks, this will probably be the biggest and longest bear market rally we're going to see this year. And that was, but the year's not over. So it's possible this one is even bigger and longer. I'm not certain yet, but it could be. I don't feel like it will be, but I think we will see a big move. GME along with that, I think it's been coiling up so tight like a snake last couple days. SPY's just been taking all the love, and GME, the volume today even was like wildly low. It might even be, yeah, it might even break a record. We'll see. We got 30 minutes to close. 2.4 million. Yeah, this thing is shut off. I think it's gonna have its move probably next week and maybe the week after that. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Our Netflix play is working out great, of course, up 7% today. This thing is on a tear. I think it'll probably fill this gap up here at 3. Sorry, I was my kid coughing. 333. I think it's on its way, and that might happen just in this week, next week. Might take a couple weeks, but I've got exposure. I've got a month of time on that play. AMD kind of more chill today. Didn't have quite the momentum, but I think it's on its way. It has the same bullish divergences. It moves with the market. It's got a high beta, so I think it will probably fill this gap and might even come up and fill that one in the 80s. Yeah, a lot of things just ripping today. Quite a day. MVAS looks good. We were watching that with some of the other ones that were nice. Peggy was looking nice for continuation. I'm waiting for this IPO to come out. INTS. I don't know if they're gonna delay it or what. Usually they come out closer to noon. But yeah, this one looks nice. Holding bullish on the MACD, kind of holding a nice floor up here. So this might have continuation also. BPY actually just got wrecked today, so I don't know what's going on with this. I think a big move is still coming. It is interesting how it seems pretty untethered right now, though. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's getting cheap. Keeps getting cheaper. Here's what I did today. I had those futures, remember? I was kind of riding them, and then again, I was expecting them to be even more red today, but had this big move up, and it's still going. That's my next resistance at 375 from back here. So SPY might hit that before close. Yeah, so basically those futures came back. I closed them out for just basically break even around here because I thought we'd probably mellow back out, but we kept rallying. So not that I didn't want to have long futures, but I just thought I'd get a better price today. But today it was unrelentless, or relentless rather. So I actually went back in. I'm going to keep scaling in. I think I'll probably be able to get a better entry after hours. Futures market I think closes at 5 though, and then it'll be closed until 6 p.m. on Sunday. So I think I got 2 more, and then probably try and get, yeah, so I got 2 more for December, just the micro S&P futures, and then I'll probably try and get another one either today before 5 or on Sunday, or maybe even get 2. I mean, if I even got just a mini, one of the big ones, which is 10 times the micros, and we had a big move up, it'd be pretty significant gains. It would take back a lot of the losses from last year. This year, I think we're sitting much better, but last year's losses still stinging some. So a big bear market rally, if we're positioned right and we have the confidence to hold and make the plays, you can make it all back in just a couple days, a week. It's crazy how quick things can just flip to both ways. So if you have a lot of exposure, you can flip bad and lose a lot of money quickly. But you kind of need a lot of exposure to get big gains, unless you're just getting crazy out of the money options that are hitting somehow. So yeah, AMD came back up a little bit. Our Netflix is up 69%. This one I got for pretty much way out of the money move. So even though Netflix has gone up a lot, I mean, it's a nice percentage, but I only put 121 into this. So I'm wanting this 121 to turn into 879. So yeah, that would be basically needing that gap fill. I've got my Yaz too fast. That's why I'm talking so fast. What else did I get? Today, Beto. I got Beto calls, basically ETF of Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin will also pump with the market. So could have just got Bitcoin, but it's easier just to do that. So Beto calls, and then I got some puts on GME, just protective puts for margin, basically, so that I can get these futures. And yeah, didn't get any more calls today on GME. Still have these 6:30 strikes for Friday after next. This is, I think, the first week in November. Yeah, that's November 4. Could get more, but I'm good on those. Today I have this put credit spread I need to roll over, most likely, unless GME closes above 25.5. And then on here, of course, we got these shares still. And then on our margin account, looking at, had the 24.5 and the 25 short puts for GME. I was able to close out of the 24.5 for basically max gain, and then I still have the 25s. So I might roll this if it seems like it's going to close in the money. Yeah, definitely will. So that's what that thing's doing. But yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's looking bullish as heck. GME can't rely too much on a SLD day like today, but next week I think, yeah, could be the week after, but I think next week we should see it. And SPY should continue. There are some earnings, some data coming out. I think GDP is actually next week, which might give it some volatility, but I don't see too much slowing it down. I think we're in for something similar to here, similar to this rally right here. So yeah, that's what I got, guys. Hopefully you did all right this week in the market, and hopefully I'll see you in Discord. Have a good weekend. Peace out.